Did you know that your car has secret features that can make your daily driving 10 times easier? Yet, 90% of drivers have absolutely no idea they exist. Today, we are breaking down 6 hidden car features that are already built into your vehicle, and you need to start using them today. Number 4 might actually save a life. The first feature is the secret window roll-down trick. During hot summer days, the heat trapped inside a car can be unbearable. But the quickest solution is right in your pocket. Next time you approach your hot car, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for 5 seconds. On most modern cars, this will automatically roll down all the windows at once, letting the hot air escape before you even step inside. The second feature is the fuel cap arrow. Whenever you drive a rental car or borrow a friend's vehicle, you probably forget which side the fuel door is on. Instead of getting out to check, just look at the fuel gauge on your dashboard. Right next to the little gas pump icon, you will see a tiny arrow. If the arrow points left, your fuel cap is on the left. If it points right, it is on the right. It is that simple. The third feature is the rearview mirror night toggle. Driving at night can be blinding when the car behind you has its high beams on. If your car does not have an automatic dimming mirror, don't worry. Look right underneath your manual rearview mirror and you will find a small plastic tab. Flip it forward, and it instantly changes the angle of the glass. This deflects the blinding glare away from your eyes while still giving you a clear view of the traffic behind you. The fourth feature is the passenger airbag switch. This one is not just about convenience, it is a critical safety tool. If you ever need to put a child or a rear-facing baby seat in the front passenger seat, you must turn the passenger airbag off. You can find a secret key slot either on the side of the dashboard when the door is open, or inside the glove box. Disabling it is essential because the force of a deploying airbag can be incredibly dangerous for small children. The fifth feature is the road ice warning, also known as the snowflake icon. If you drive in cold weather, you might have noticed a tiny snowflake symbol pop up on your dashboard. Many people mistake this for an air conditioning light, but it is actually a safety warning. When the outside temperature drops below 4 degrees Celsius, or 39 degrees Fahrenheit, this light turns on to warn you that the roads are cold enough to form black ice. It is a cue to slow down and stay alert. The sixth and final feature is using your headrest as an emergency escape tool. If you ever find yourself trapped inside your vehicle after an accident or if the car plunges into water, getting out fast is your top priority. If the electric windows and doors fail, press the button at the base of your seat's headrest and pull it completely out. The sharp metal rods at the bottom are designed perfectly to smash the side windows, allowing you to escape safely. Which of these hidden features did you already know about, and which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Car Clues and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.